Albert Einstein revolutionized our understanding of the universe with his theory of relativity, showing that space and time are interconnected. Einstein's theory of relativity consists of two main parts: special relativity and general relativity. Special relativity, published in 1905, deals with objects moving at constant speeds, especially near the speed of light. Its key ideas include time dilation and mass-energy equivalence. Time dilation means that time slows down for objects moving close to the speed of light. For instance, astronauts traveling at high speeds age more slowly than people on Earth. Mass-energy equivalence, expressed as E equals mc squared, shows that mass can be converted into energy and vice versa. This principle is behind nuclear power and atomic bombs. In 1915, Einstein introduced general relativity, describing gravity as a curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. Massive objects like stars and planets warp spacetime, affecting the motion of other objects, explaining why Earth orbits the Sun. Einstein's theories have profoundly influenced our understanding of the universe and led to practical technologies like GPS. In summary, Einstein's special and general relativity reshaped our understanding of spacetime and gravity, highlighting his lasting impact on science.